Yoga for weight loss, strengthening and body detox. Everyone should try yoga. A holistic form of fitness, yoga will not only relax your body, but will improve your mental, spiritual, and physical well-being as well. Yoga for weight loss. 1. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is known as a sun salutation. There are 12 different postures which focus on different parts of your body. If you are a beginner, try the basic prayer pose, the cobra pose, and the forward bend. These exercises will strengthen your ligaments and skeletal system, and will treat stress and anxiety. 2. Warrior pose. Place your body in the mountain pose. Stretch your right leg back and place your left leg in a lunge position, making sure your knee is bent at a right, 90-degree angle. Stretch your hands above your hand and hold this position for 1 minute. Repeat with the other side. 3. Triangular pose. You should spread your legs and turn your left foot out. Stretch out your arms in a parallel position to the ground. Gradually push the left side of your waistline and go down. Use your left palm to touch the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, then return to the beginning position. Repeat with the other side. This exercise will activate the muscles of your arms, thighs, and waistline. 4. Upward plank. As you can see by its name, it is the opposite of the plank position. You should sit down on the ground and stretch your feet in front of you. Place your hands on the ground, behind your hips. Raise your body and pull your head back. The upward plank works on your arms, shoulders, wrists, and back. Moreover, it is very beneficial for the function of your respiratory system. Yoga poses that strengthen your body. 1. Plank. You should lie down on your stomach. Place your palms on the ground, next to your arms. Gradually raise your body. Hold this position for 1 minute. Then, return to the beginning position and repeat once again. The basic plant posture will strengthen your core, arms, shoulders, and legs. 2. Side plank. Rotate your body at a 90-degree angle and support the weight of your body only on one of your hands. You should repeat this exercise on both sides. This exercise will strengthen the sides of your abs. 3. Airplane pose. This simple exercise will improve your balance. Begin in a standing position. Push one of your legs to the back and gradually move your torso and leg in a parallel position to the floor. Make sure to stretch your body. Hold this position for 1 minute. This exercise will strengthen your abs, thighs, and legs. Yoga postures for detox. 1. Wide-legged standing forward bend twist pose. Begin in a standing position with your feet 4 feet apart. Take the left hand to your right ankle, while at the same time raising the right hand in a direction to the ceiling. Hold this position for 1 minute. Don't forget to take deep breaths. Then, return to the beginning position and repeat with the other side. 2. Bow. Lie on the floor with your face down. Bend the knees and use your hands to grab the ankles. Raise your chest off the floor and take 5 deep breaths. Return to the beginning position and repeat everything once again. 3. Shoulder stand. You should lie down on the floor. Raise your legs and use your hands to support your back. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then repeat again. 4. Spine twist. Lie down on the floor. Bend your right knee, making sure to slowly fall to the left. Press down with your left hand and hold this position for 30 seconds. Don't forget to take deep breaths. Return back to the beginning position and repeat with the other side.